good it's not busy.
You should
But there's a, huh?
There's a lot of people. She said they must have, they may think they have more staff to problems.
Yeah.
It's like they just prepared.
Yeah, there's already people, but we didn't have to wait that long. We already got our seat right away. Money, money, money. And then we're heading to Las Vegas. Only me and the girls. Daddy will stay. Forget about the price tag. Just put little. Maybe it's too hot. So sweet. Balik na kami sa bahay, guys. Let's mag-drive na kami to Vegas. Kami lang tatlo ng kambal. Magbe-Vegas. May iwan si asawa. Dito na kami sa Las Vegas, guys. Hindi na ako nag-video while driving kasi mahirap. So ako lang at saka yung kambal, yung asawa ko naiwan. Hindi na siya sasama. Wala din siyang pasok. So kami lang ang pupunta dito kasi mag-i-stay kami ng mga ilang araw. Dito, bakasyon. Inaanak ko si Ilya. Girls, come on here. Say hi, oh. Hi! Ayan si Ella. Yan, si Ella. Magkapatid sila ni Ilya. Yan, dito kami sa Las Vegas. Here in Las Vegas. Las Vegas vacation. Yan. Tagbuhan sila.
The Elmo is so scary.
Oh, the Elmo. They have Elmo stuffed toy and it's talking.
Yeah, by itself.
They said it's creepy.
Words.
Yeah.
It by itself. Yeah, this ain't bad. Oh,
Okay, that's
Elmo.
Elmo.
He's scaring us. Daddy, look. Yeah.
It's talking. Ella. See? Uh-oh. Good morning. Good morning. You sleep so long. Haba ng tulog niyo. Yeah. Hi, Ella. Good morning.
Bleeding.
Your what?
My lips were bleeding.
Your lip?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I keep the tissue under my
Oh.
bleeding.
Why your lip is bleeding?
I woke up like that earlier.
Oh. Let me see. Oh,
Just
there's a
blood.
little bit. Maybe you bite it a little bit.
I didn't bite anything. So last night
Maybe.
when I was
Oh,
watching
I
a movie,
know. Your lips is dry. You need to put the what's that?
because
No.
it's upstairs.
Wow.
Open eyes, open eyes. Wow.
Oo,
Maliwanag.
Sa YouTube to eh, pang-dagdag ko sa...
Pang ano lang. Ano lang.
Wow! What you're going to say?
Cheers.
Cheers!
Thank you, babe.
Thank you, babe, sa aming...
Cheers
Cheers
ka
na,
na.
ano?
Cheers ka na. Sa'yo. Ito ba?
Cheers!
Patty's upstairs.
Oh, ako ba lagi? Baka pati ka bali we have. Ay, iya. A picture kayo.
I want to have that one.
Oh, yeah.
Hello!
Kasi open up to
A picture. Iya, picture.
Ilya, come here. Take
This
picture.
one is yours.
Iya,
Tita
picture.
got you, ano, pasalubong.
Iya, surprise.
Dali, dali. Picture here, come on.
Ah, yung hair mo, ano ba? Ganun ba yung hair mo? Baka bruha eh.
Kami sa labas. Nagsiswimming mga bata. Dito kami sa backyard. Iba ang init dito sa Las Vegas. 5:30 ng hapon, guys. Ayan. Mabuti shade na dito. May shade na tuwing hapon. another day today. They're having some breakfast.
And that's not how the song goes.
Ito inaanak ko, si Ilya. So cute.
She wants to do the book on one of your iPad. One.
Cut ako ng fruit, guys. Korean pears. Ayan. Ulam namin, guys. Chop suey na may tokwa at hipon. Ayan. Lunch namin dito sa Vegas. Ayan, king crab. Ayan, sarap. Dito na naman kami sa labas, guys.
Hey, Ella, you know what? We know how to swim.
Grabe ang araw. Ang init sa Las Vegas.
I said, what? You know how we learn? You know how we
Swimming ulit kami. Tapos, kakatapos ko lang din magluto ng chop suey. Grabe guys, hindi pa rin ako nasanay dito sa init sa Las Vegas. Kahit sa Vegas na kami nang galing.
Hey, Ella, if you just put chocolate milk in it a lot, like
Kasi mayroon silang patio dito guys.
all the way up to the top, and then you can put chocolate,
Meron
and then you
siya.
can put chocolate in, and then you can swim in the chocolate.
They're making
Okay, baby, okay.
spam sushi ba to? Musube?
Can we make it? Can we eat it after you cook it?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah, you guys were gonna eat it.
Yeah, they're making a spam sushi.
Kanin, spam, tsaka ibabalot mo, yun ang musubi.
Oh,
Okay, then
ito
roll it.
spam lang, spam sushi.
Yan, sushi lang yan.
Sushi
Then
daw.
roll it.
She's
Roll it, baby.
waiting. Look.
Gawa ko lang musubi, gawa ko lang
Baby's
musubi.
waiting.
Marami pa to.
Okay.
Tita, I'm a little baby's
Oh, smile.
waiting.
Ay, musubi.
A
Ay, oh, ay.
Open it.
thing.
Open
Open
it.
ka, open.
Open it. Wow. Good job.
Why do you need something?
That's
Dapat this one.
Yana's.
Payatot.
Patty's next.
Oh yeah, like this.
Yeah, just grab the rice. Yeah.
Just one.
But you can ask her, is that okay?
Blah.
Take it. Take it. Good job.
Like that.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh. Show it to mommy.
I'm wrapping.
Okay, that's your dinner now, okay? Oh, finish it. Okay, let's go. Akin na. Let me cut it. Oh, no.
Ito yung musubi.
Sheila, what did
Oh, yeah.
Ganyan ang musubi.
Go eat na. Thank you pa.
Sheila, ready to?
Medium, small size, regular cafe latte. No foam with 2 stevia, please.
Dito kami ngayon guys sa Costco, Las Vegas. Mamimili kami. Tapos mamimili rin ako na sa seafoods. So yung seafoods andyan lang din sa kabila. Kaya after na dito sa Costco, pupunta kami seafoods. Mamimili ako konti para dalhin ko sa Utah. Since andito na rin naman na kami. Ayan. May cherries na. Oh, may cherries na oh. Sa Utah, wala pang cherry. I don't know.
Hindi ka nga maano doon sa malamig.
Kaya nga malamig. Ayoko pumasok doon.
Banana.
May, parang kakabili. Marami ka pang banana.
Yeah, pero
Oh.
Mabilis.
Okay. Ito, panay bili-bili. Si Beshila. Ayoko pumunta dyan. Malamig. Para sa akin, malamig. Magbabayad na kami. Tapos na sila.